How to pay off a car loan fast. What dealership won't tell you? In today's society, about 7 out of 10 people borrow money to purchase their cars. This makes car loans one of the biggest financial obligations ever. Rather than letting the payment drain your income for months, there are ways to pay off your car loans quickly. In this video, we show you how. So first off, are cars really a necessity? I mean, the public transportation system is developed well enough, isn't it? And won't not having a car save you money in the long run? After all, you won't have to pay for things like fuel and maintenance costs. Well, to answer that question, we need to realize that there are upsides and downsides to owning a car or not. Having a car is mostly more convenient, and anyone who has gone through the trouble of taking out a loan to buy one must have definitely decided that it's worth the cost. Even if you have buyer's remorse, there's no reason to despair. By paying off your car loan quickly, you can ease the financial burden on your back and make more prudent financial decisions in the future. So, as mentioned in the introduction, only a few people have the money to pay for a car outright. If you are one of the 7 out of 10 who use car loans, which you will most probably be, then you need to pay attention to these next parts. People take out car loans because it's better than waiting months to accumulate money for a one-time payment. With a loan-based payment system, you can receive the car pretty quickly and then have a proportion of your salary go back to the dealership as payment every month. In spite of the advantages of this system, it can create a pretty significant burden on those who have taken out a car loan. As such, it is important to pay off these loans as quickly as possible. There are certain key advantages of paying your car loan early, in case the reasoning isn't quite clear to you. Among these advantages are the fact that you will earn more money, save more on interest, and won't end up owing more than your car is worth. This last point is particularly important. If you delay on your car loan payments, you can end up paying off way more than the car is worth. So, you see, it's always important to pay off your car loan quickly. You'll also boost your credit score that way, and this will open up more financial possibilities for you. So, what are these infamous tips for paying off a car loan fast? What is it that no dealership will quite tell you? Well, we can break these tips down into 6 points. Ahead, we discuss each of these points in detail. The number one tip to pay off your car loan fast is to not miss any payments. As elementary as this sounds, a lot of people tend to default on their payments, which creates many other problems. You might attract additional fees and penalties. This will make the entire endeavor way more expensive than it need be. Another tip to pay off your car loan quickly is to pay half your payments bi-weekly. This way, you would actually be paying off the loan twice as fast. Naturally, this kind of plan demands that you have a little bit of cash on hand, but provided you can stick to it, maybe by diverting funds from elsewhere, you will be in great shape. Then, a tip that can work is to round up your loan payments. This is a simple trick that can work wonders. Say your loan payments are $370 every month. By rounding up to $400, you give yourself a significant boost and might save yourself a couple of months of payment. If these little extra payments are too much for you, you at least have to make one large payment over the course of the loan. To do this, you might need to adjust your budget to free up the funds. It might be tough, sure, but then the earlier you pay off this loan, the better it will be for your finances in the long run. And then, another tip is to consider refinancing your loan. This is a situation in which you renegotiate with a bank or the car dealership to make the terms of payment more favorable to you. This way you can pay off your loan quicker and at a lower rate, especially if your credit score has gone up since then. Lastly, a good tip to pay off your car loan quickly is to take advantage of any extra sources of income. This means when you get a hold of any money you weren't expecting, such as a bonus, you might want to direct these funds towards the car loan payment rather than treating yourself. It might seem kind of harsh, but you're helping yourself in the long run. It's all about looking at the bigger picture. By using these tips, you'll find yourself paying off your car loan faster than you thought possible. This way, you will free up funds for other endeavors. Always strive to be disciplined about these things. And no matter what, never miss a payment. Coming to the end of this video, we hope you've learned much about how to pay off your car loans. There are a lot of ways to get it done quickly, although, of course, the car dealership might not be inclined or even obligated to let you know these ways. To learn more, please check out other videos on this channel. We have a large catalog of videos that you can use to broaden your understanding of these concepts. Well, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time, have a good day. Catch you later.